Right now, these AI baseball videos are everywhere on TikTok and Instagram, and people are getting millions of views with them. So today, I'll show you how to make one yourself in just a few seconds, completely for free. Let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and upload your photo here. Then, paste this prompt. You'll find the prompt in the description below. Now click on Generate. Alright, the image is ready. And this is exactly what we wanted. In my result, I'm still wearing my normal t-shirt, but don't worry. I updated the prompt, so when you try it, the AI will give you a baseball jersey automatically. Next, go to Kling AI. You can also use other AI video generators if you want, but Kling works really well, and you can use it for free. Now tap on Generate. Upload the image we created with ChatGPT. Then paste the second prompt. You'll also find this one in the description. After that, choose 720p resolution and set the video length to 6 seconds. Now click on Generate. And boom, your video is ready. The final result looks super realistic, almost like you're actually standing inside a real baseball game. And that's how you can make the viral AI baseball trend videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI videos like this.